After reaching late last night at Gangtok, next day we started early for North Sikkim. We took first halt at Seven Sister Falls, one of the popular falls of North Sikkim. On the way, we crossed Theng Tunnel, the longest tunnel in Sikkim, towards our today's destination, Lachen. After crossing Theng Tunnel, the road was upstream of River Tista. Enjoying the mesmerizing views of Tista, we reached Chungthang, the confluence of Lachenchu and Lachungchu. We reached Lachen that evening, but unfortunately we did not get permission for Gurdongmal Lake due to heavy snowfall. Lachen wished us good morning with snow-capped mountains and dancing clouds in the sky. After having our breakfast, we started our journey towards today's destination, Lachung. On our way to Lachung, our first halt was Bhimnala waterfall, one of the tallest waterfalls in Sikkim. After half an hour drive from Bhimnala, we reached Lachung, but here also we did not get permission for Yumthang Valley and Zero Point. But some local people suggested us to visit Katao, which is 30 km away from Lachung. Believe me, nature is so beautiful here. I was thrilled when I saw the frozen waterfall. It was feeling like we were somewhere in Switzerland. This was my first snowfall experience also. After enjoying some moments, we returned to our hotel and stayed that night at Lachung. So next day we started for Gangtok and reached Gangtok at around 2 pm. We spent that evening at MG Marg and stayed that night in Gangtok. Next day on the way back to NJP, we did some local sightseeing. So first spot of the day was Dudrul Chorten. This stupa was built by Tulsik Rinpoche in 1945. After experiencing peaceful vibe, we took our next ride on ropeway to get bird's eye view of Gangtok. Then we visited the last spot, Flower Exhibition Center, Reach Park, and witnessed the beauty of different types of orchids. So this is the end of our Sikkim diary. See you on the road.